7 meters of this stuff. Yeah, real good quality, thick. I think that was 80 quid for 7 meters. I'll check later. So I'm gonna just fit that in here, and then see if one step closer to maybe getting the motorbike in there. Just thinking about maybe around here one of those clamps so that I can bring the bike in and drop it straight in. We'll see. I'm not quite sure if it's going to fit yet. A bit of cutting and rolling around and cutting. Yeah, got it in there. It's quite thick. It's quite nice and it's nice to walk on. It's got a bit of cushion into it. So maybe the next thing is to see if the bike will fit. So I've put my waffle boards up. That was easy. Put the mat down. Yeah, so on my own, yeah, it's a bit difficult. It was getting the front wheel to go round the front chair there. So I came in on an angle. You can see the tyre marks. Lifted it across, bumped it over, chucked it in. You know, these ain't strapped down. It's just holding it a minute. So I'd rather it went right there. So he's buying another van then. Coming from the front. Yeah, so on my own it would be a bit difficult, but I think if someone's there giving me a hand, even just to hold it for a second, or if I take that chair out, it'd be even easier if that chair went there.